In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to become affiliate on Apex Trader Funding. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to apextraderfunding.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you should bring something like this. And here you'll need to scroll down onto the button and then you'll see something called affiliates. Once you click on that, this page should be popping up where you can see that you can get started to become an affiliate for Apex Trader Funding. Then from here, a new page will pop up where you'll need to scroll down and read a little about the affiliate program. But to apply for it, you simply need to go down here to click here to submit a support ticket to begin your application. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your email address, the category where you need to choose other, you need to change subcategory and click custom coupon code, but then you'll need to enter in your Apex Trader Fund account ID. Here you'll need to click in the subject that you can say affiliate program. Then under description, you can go down to and write that you want to apply for become an affiliate into Apex Trader Funding. From here, you'll need to click submit, and then you'll need to get an answer from Apex Trader Funding support. Well, they will then send you the application page that you can fill out. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!